guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing curry shrimp, and watch as I do how I do my curry shrimp in my own way, guys. So stay tuned for my curry shrimp. Okay guys, here I have already add my oil. It's hot, but since I'm doing curry, guys, I don't want it to send the fire heat off, so I turn it a bit down so it's already hot. So I'm adding my butter pack curry to my oil. Now guys, I'm gonna turn just a slight bit up because I don't want it to send it up the house. Okay guys, this is my frozen shrimp. Yes guys, I had some from previously and it's frozen, guys, so I'm gonna use it to do the curry shrimp. Yes guys, so here's my shrimp, guys. This is the base start of it, how I do it, guys. Tell me in the comments, guys, how you do it, or how you could, or even tag me in a video to show me how you do it, guys, because not everybody do it the same way. Okay guys, then leave it for at least 10-15 minutes. Okay guys, here I have some sweet corn. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Here I have sweet corn. I'm gonna add it inside so it is able to cook alongside the shrimp. Give it more time to cook with the shrimp. And I'm going to add a little bit more water to it, guys, so it doesn't burn. Yes, guys, so I'm giving it roughly like 10 minutes to steam down with the corn, guys. So check in after this, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm going to add all my season that I pre-cut before. So I have my carrots, my scallion, my onion, my what's it called? I don't remember its name, guys. Tell me in the comments, guys, what's this called? And guys, I love to have enough seasoning in my pot, guys. Like the carrot, all those. I love to see a lot of it in my pot, especially when I'm doing seafood or meat kind, guys. And I'm also gonna add my coconut milk to it, guys. This now will give it a smooth, rich, creamy taste, guys. And of course, guys, I'm gonna add a little of Slap Your Mama. Big up to Junior Lifestyle, where introduced first with this on Slap Your Mama. And it literally means go slap your mama, and it's just the name of the, guys. I'm adding a little bit of ginger, the Irish ginger, guys. A little of the all-purpose seasoning, guys. And of course guys, I'm gonna add another thyme leaf. And of course guys, we can't leave out the great Jamaican um allspice or pimenta. Okay guys, I'm gonna gauge the fire a little, so take your little time and simmer down guys. Okay guys, checking in on my shrimp. It's coming down nicely. I'll give it about 5 more minutes to simmer a bit down more. Yes guys, it's so good. Just want to simmer it down a little bit more, around 5 minutes, and then it's all good guys. I wish you guys could try. Okay guys, so I have completed the cooking of my curry shrimp, so I'm going to open and see how it is. Ooh, it's looking good guys, it's looking good. Okay. Okay guys, it's looking nice and it tastes so nice. Okay guys, we've come to the end of our channel guys. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe guys. I'll show you what's the last touch of it once I dish it out guys. So nice. Okay guys, so See you guys in another video. Bye.